So I thought it would be a good chance for us to kind of talk about that question that we most often get asked by parents. The famous, how long is my child going to be in speech therapy?
That's a tough one to answer, and I think there's a lot of factors that go into answering that question. It's hard for us to predict the future, but we definitely look at certain things to try to figure out what will give us the best idea of how long your child will need therapy. So some important things are like the child's age. So I think the kids that we see earlier and get that early intervention really it can be a little bit more of a quick fix in therapy. But some of our kids that start later, it may take them a little bit longer to achieve the skills they need to catch up.
Right, and sometimes we have kids who have more than one underlying factor. They might have autism in addition to a language delay, or they might also have articulation problems. So there's more than one area of language that has to be addressed.
And I think also looking at the severity of the disorder, and some of our kids that maybe have more severe delays or disorders, it may take them a little bit longer to develop the skills that they need to be successful or functional in life. And also the frequency of therapy is important too, right?
Right, yeah. I mean, how many times are they coming per week, and how consistent is their attendance are definitely big factors that determine how long they're in therapy. But I think one of the biggest factors is the carryover that takes place in the home with home exercise activities, and how much generalization of the skills are they getting outside of the therapy setting.
That is really true. Our kids that are really good about carrying over home strategies, completing home programs, I think we see a lot quicker progress with those kids.
Absolutely. So if you have any additional requests or needs for any kind of activities to take place at home to help us work on generalizing those skills outside of the environment, don't hesitate to give us a call here at the clinic, and we wish you guys a better Speech and Hearing Month.